What's up, guys? Today's mission is soundproofing the inside. So I picked up some sound deadening sticky mats. I don't really know what they're called, but they're from a company called Car Builders. So plan is rip up the vinyl flooring, obviously take the seats out, take off any trims that I need to, just clean the metal, make sure there's no rust, make sure it's all good. And then yeah, it seems pretty simple. You just cut it to size, and you get like a little roller and you just roll it on so it sticks down nicely. And then I've also got some, it's like a 3mm foam which you lay on top, and that gives it like a super quiet sound deadening effect. So yeah, that's today's mission. The weather's looking kind of sketch, so yeah, I don't know, we'll see. I do have a garage, but it's full of junk right now. So worst case scenario, we stop what we're doing and pull everything out of the garage so I can get the truck in there and finish the job. But yeah, should be fun, doesn't look too hard. And yeah, thought I'd video it for you guys. So yeah, let's go. Here we go, guys. Pretty basic, pretty simple to remove the seats and the trim. Obviously there was never vinyl here, so I'm gonna lay the sound deadening stuff and the foam, and obviously I gotta rip all this up. But yeah, it's just like a thin vinyl. Yeah, so there's like no soundproofing at all in here. But yeah, so we'll take all this out. You can see that there's some water that's gotten in down here. I'm assuming it's coming from this side, so we'll address that before we do anything else. Make sure that there's no rust under here, because yeah, obviously that's damaged. I can tell it's a bit wet. Okay, now that the vinyl's out, this doesn't look too bad. A little bit of surface rust on here, but nothing structural. A little bit wet, so we just need to figure out how the water's getting in here. If anyone has any ideas, let me know in the comments. But yeah, just gonna start hunting, trying to track where it's coming from, but I'm assuming it's coming from up in here somewhere. Alright guys, so I've removed the surface rust in this area here and a little bit on that side. I've put some rust converter on it, so that takes about 4 hours to dry. Yeah, so we're going to start on the back here while that's drying. I have no idea what I'm doing, never done this before, but it shouldn't be too hard, right? So I'm assuming you just peel off this layer, and yeah, you can just cut it into pieces, shape it around things. So I'm going to obviously have to cut around this wiring here. It's actually a lot more work than I realized, but yeah. And so I don't want to be coming right to the edge because obviously the vinyl comes here. I've also got the foam layer, so if I make this too thick, the actual vinyl is not going to go under the trimming. So yeah, I'll probably just come into here. But yeah, hopefully I've got enough. So another little hack, they actually sell like a roller marketed for this product, but it's super expensive. It's like 40 bucks. So I went to an arts and crafts shop and found this for like $15. So it's basically the same size, made out of the same stuff. Yeah, let's peel this off and hope for the best. Little update, guys, we're getting there. Obviously haven't done these areas yet because it's still drying and I need to spray a top coat over that. But yeah, it's hard. It's way harder than I realized. It's really easy to cut though, like you can just get scissors and chop away, but yeah, very time consuming. I just checked the weather and it's not looking good. The same rain for like the next 5 days, so that's annoying. Looks like I'm gonna have to empty out this garage and get the truck in here. Boat's over there. Use down on the road. Also, this thing here, so sick. It's actually my wife's car. 2004 Toyota Sora V8. All stock. Got the peanut butter interior. So clean. Check out my driver's seat situation. Chuck the toolbox there just so I could actually move it. That's crazy. My head's literally hitting the roof right now. Oh, that's so awkward. Alright guys, we are done. Happy as. Wasn't too hard to be honest. Did the firewall as well. And yeah, honestly not that hard. I recommend if you're gonna do it, use scissors. Way easier to cut. And yeah, just take your time, plan out your pieces. It's honestly not that hard. But yeah, next stage is this stuff. So it's like a thick layer of foam. And I think my plan is to basically lay it out on the original vinyl and just cut it to the same shape as that. Almost there guys. We've added the extra layer of foam all the way up the firewall, over the gearbox. Alright guys, so the courier came today and they have dropped off my 50mm extended shackles for the rear. So I think that is going to be our next mission. Weather's looking a little sketch, but yeah, I'm so keen to get them in. And then we'll have to wind up the torsion bars in the front to even it out, so let's go. Look at the difference, guys. That's crazy. What a mesh that was, guys. I got the left side done, super easy. I think I had the old one off and the new one put on within like less than 10 minutes, like probably 5 minutes, and it was done. The bolts came off super easy. But then I went to do the right side and holy shit, it was way harder. The top bolt just wouldn't come out. I ended up bending the whole shackle by whacking it so hard. And yeah, I spent way too long on it. I had to go and do a few things, but now I'm back. It's like nearly 11:30 at night, so I really want to get it done. I hate leaving things unfinished, so that's the mission tonight. Not going to stop until it's done, and I'm keen to see how much higher it sits with the extended shackles. Yeah, I don't know if I'll lift the torsion bars tonight. We'll see how we go with the time, but yeah, excited. Alright guys, it's almost midnight and we're done. Oh, you gotta look at this, this is crazy. It actually looks so funny. It's lifted the back real good. I didn't think we'd get that much height out of it, to be honest. I haven't measured it yet, but yeah, so good. So tomorrow we'll do the torsion bars in the front and see how high we can get that. Take it for a good drive, see how it feels. Yeah, so stoked. Good morning, guys. It's a new day, it's beautiful weather, and we're going to do the torsion bars. But I really need coffee first, so let's go do that. Horsepower V8, man, this thing is just so good. Got the coffee, guys, so good. Alright guys, so I've done all I can to the front. I've wound the torsion bars up as much as I can safely, and I've managed to get from the ground to the top of the guard 760mm. So I think I've gained about 50mm from when I first got it. And the rear, it's sitting slightly higher. I think it's about 790. I think I'll have to double check, but yeah, I think the rear is about 790, so it's slightly higher. But I have just ordered some 2-inch ball joint spacers, and yeah, we're going to chuck those in when they arrive, which will then make the front slightly higher, which is what I want. And yeah, my plan is to eventually, once I find the right ones, I want to upgrade the wheels, bigger tires. But yeah, in the meantime, we'll just wait for the ball joint spacers to arrive. And yeah, damn, what else do I want to do? A few cosmetic things. So tail lights, I definitely want to change these. Yeah, this one's got water inside it, and same with the front. Yeah, especially this driver's side indicator, it's all cracked. Yeah, they just look nasty. Another thing, I want to change the front bumper, chrome front bumper. That'll be sick. And also Japanese style license plates. So sick. That's an option you can do in New Zealand. So yeah, that's the plans for now. We got all the sound deadening done, which was interesting. Definitely a challenge. I thought it was going to be way easier. But yeah, once I just slowed down and planned the pieces I wanted to place down, you can cut it super easy with scissors. Yeah, that's made a big difference inside. Like, as soon as you close that driver's door, like, it's quiet, so quiet. And when I'm driving, way less road noise, which is amazing. So yeah, slowly getting things done that I want to do, and yeah, just having fun, guys. But yeah, I'll try to keep the content coming. I don't know how much more build videos will be coming, but definitely going to keep the truck in the videos for sure. It'll be a big feature of everything. But yeah, want to start doing more of my photography stuff, day in a life stuff.